Good morning all. So today we are going to learn about the two important subtopics. The number one is the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles, and these are some specific angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. The another subtopic is the complement angle, complementary. Complementary means the sum of the two angles is 90, which we call as the complementary angle. And this what we call as actually the clinometer. The thing of the take angle angle 30 in the capsule, and if it is angles 45, 90, 60, and every measurement, every angle that we get from this clinometer, that the angle chasang right, and angle chasang ji count regular low in panarang the trigonometric table leisure. Good table around over the tape change. Did angle chasang right. The did some jump then on jump to you or mare. The imbaina there are a few 5, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Do you to learn on my channel? Did jump and take one of the captain calculation day did it. The data wing banner, Delan Sugi, the Kesan Jessica, casing onto this angle sharwa and chick gelatin. Now this is horizontal. This is horizontal line. This is horizontal line. This is exactly the horizontal. The thing is, an angle. So this is what see then this is what degree there. So degree that projects when it was in Panatinsu, Dramaton pass where the dick and the digging of the object here, the toning of the angle Kazu Natura, and do Spartan drawing angle Kazu to give somebody in tongues. So do Spartan Shingwa in Bana, angle Kazu to do. She has an angle, did some have one the degree somehow go in Bana, and degree the value here. The thing of the value Chazan goes to Marite and some specific angles. And these specific angles are this 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Then what do you part to share the 3 part to share, and these should are complementary angles. Angle need don't by 90 real edge or digital ones what to need to watching. And yesterday we learned about the very important the topic, the subtopic, trigonometric ratios. The ratio took the ratio took the first ratio, which we call as the sine of theta. Cos of theta and tan of theta. This one goes to and the next 3 are the reciprocals of these 3. The impina channel sine the reciprocal the culture do love impina 1 by cosec theta and cos culture 1 by sec of theta and tan impina 1 by cot of theta. That this shingina taking on the inverse the shingi in Panama and first, second, third the janda and Shabasum Jolati on Shingletur. And the Jango Gimzen Kare, thing at the end, Jella Martin Shawarwa, the Jane, Kepen Karuri. Dear, I think we'll discuss later. Now, the first, how we are going to get these values. That you know how doing the formula, the Masona, techniques of Kalamazam Jury. You're in Panatino, Deshi Shade. The textbook on your economic so your songs and textbook on Tonachin is turned down. Yankalang Congo partners or Congo sign of 0, sign of 0. Chitantina technician the technique party couple tisho. In a turn down chicklana and this someone can answer Dodo Chadu. Sign of 0, the kind of regular, this how we so much of Chinua. Sign of 0 that we have a right triangle. The take into the right triangle church. The right triangle in A, B, C. And suppose that this is our theta. Angle take your theta. If this is angle theta, and this becomes your perpendicular. The angle of the opposite thing on the P in bar, the opposite side and take your P opposite side and thing on the P shape. And then this is a B. This is your B. And this becomes your hypotenuse. So, this is confirm chasar. That then she shall do in Pana. If this theta is 0, sine of theta is 0 in Pana. That theta is 0 in Pana. Don't say what? The theta is 0 in Pana. 0 on a calorie. They do lower. Check the see that. That in Pana. Karala sine the formula. Kasa of the line bar, sine gi, any formula. Chick, not Victor Law, so control as jury. Some people have letter. So, in the sine of the formula, sine of theta, like the formula, P by H. Or instead of P, you can either write as the O, opposite side. So, P by H, O by H. Now, sine theta, if this theta is 0, the sine theta is 0 in band, theta is 0 in band. The do not sine theta is 0, sine theta 0 in band, sine 30 in a, sine 45 in a category, sine of 60 in a category, sine of 90 in a, exactly same. Now, suppose I'm taking one example from this sine, and suppose just go through the textbook. Everything is given. So, example check that thing I have to love in band. Ding on to Pirua. Dick has it 0 in Banano. 0 in Bandiva, Mama Imura. There. This 90. This is 90. That casing of the 0 in Banana, Dick to Mama Imura. My Yamuna Kachasa. Mother saw Kacheto. Based on taking it, the hypotenuse you are there. The 0, the hypotenuse, the H. So H, P, H, H call is 0 shall say dinner. So H the Kazuri, 0, H the 0 dinner. So 0 person the P, Lana, Papa, Papa, the Karichika Shaswa, basic Shaswa, my Ura. So don't do any better, P the Kachas with dinner, P the 0 shall. So the Kachare 0 by H. P 0. The 90. Because the 0 implicates the Maya and Shini daily 0 Shira. And the Kashasa, big value Kashasa, big value the 0 Shaswa. So big value the 0 and you do say the Mama in the 0 in Bana, code 0 like you know. This 0 like you in Bana, and 0 divided by any number is 0. So therefore, sine of 0 is 0. Sine of 0 is 0. That did not change. Sine 30 in a culture, sine 45 in a culture. So this some of the textbook and you want the details get to maintenance Patarochi. Then you can send value market on the love and then value rub in Pena. That thing of the pressure cover the quadrenda. Thank you, Tamu Carping and loving Pena. You get angles to turn down techniques you're thinking at all. Tamu love in Pena, then on the one shishra. Tamu on the 0 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in Judarwa. Tigachina 0, 1, 2, 3, 40. Divided by 4. Some of 4 down. Some of root yo. Now find the value. 0 divided by 4. And now this can be also written like this. Root of 0 divided by root of 4. This is a so the other in the calculation it's the same. Long so 0 divided by any number is 0. Don't do any root of 0. That is 0. Now, 1 by 4. This can be also written as root of 1 divided by root of 4. And root of 100. So 1 chair. And this root of 4 is a perfect square. So means root of 4 is 2. So 1 by 2. And root of 45. That is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That is root of 1 divided by root of 2. Root of 1 is 1. Root of 2. So 1 by root of 2. 60. The root 3 is prime number root 3. And root of 4 is 2. So root 3 by 2. Root of 3 by 2. 90. Cut down the 1 plus root of 1 law in 1. So this value is 1. So gang sama ang thongbo de bin sama ra there. Shena da thongbo de 1 0 1 2 3 4 for the t sama lo divide down root 3. And then on the calculation test down gang sama 0 1 by 2 1 by root of 2 root 3 by 2 and 1. But the now you get all the values of these trigonometric ratios. The thing I go show what the value chesang ra tu. Can say the sine apart on your cos la the inverse is 2. Inverse is 1. It's a 1. Next root 3 by 2. Next 1 by root of 2. This will have 1 by 2 and 0. That tension of tension of the formula tension theta which is equal to sine of theta divided by cos of theta. The value of sigma is tension of theta equal to sine की formula करेंगे तो हाँ पूरा देने सोखा ट्रोआ लो इम्पना चिक दोंगे हुआ तानी some people have लेता को पेचो खरता ना क्या हुआ क्या मिंदो आदि तो नचीना खर चीनी क्या हुआ इमार so ते some people have like team by ना so dimba or perpendicular by hypotenuse or opposite by hypotenuse adjacent by hypotenuse. So H the H क्या तांगा so खरते ऐसा P by B ना degree or we call as the opposite of PB opposite by adjacent. So tension की formula दी बा opposite by adjacent इम्बा. So खर्चे लगे तो लव इम्बा है ना तीता ने ती खरे कचरे sin दाम cos कचरे. So दो ती वो इम्बा ने ती लगे वो इम्बा है ना so sin ला cos की divide दाम sin ला cos की divide sin दी रा cos दी रा sin ला cos की divide दाम क्यों लाओ sin ला cos की divide दाम यहाँ मत खर्चे काम की नंबर दे ला वाले भी क्यों काम की नंबर चले दी कब तो multiply ताशा ना चाहिए so दिने relation नहीं होता सुत्ते हैं ती सुत्ते हैं drawing पे ना सान दिने की तो मोबाइल कब तो भी change करना ना काम एक नंबर जोड़ दे नंबर नहीं उड़ा दे numerator and denominator use all the numerator divide by numerator divide by numerator ता तुम्हें चिकन नहीं आती पेशेंट दे the numerator करें बना 0 रहा 0 divided by 1 is a 1 0 divided by 1 रहा काम की नंबर दे 0 रे दिया कुछ रे 1 रे so 0 divided by 1 is 0 0 divided by 1 is 0 so दान सिंह काम खसर तो 1 2 देला काम खसर तो root 3 तो so 1 by root of 3 1 by root of 3 they काम खसर तो 1 रेशा here is also 1 so 1 divided by 1 is 1 tension is there already काम root 3 divided by 1 root of 3 1 divided by 0 what is it infinite how कोई मारे infinite number ये रहती ना तो infinite जो है मारे को चेंज है ये मारे ती हाँ कोई मारे ना तो ना so thing है तो उस भाषा यहाँ समझ दी सब ना तो n d n t लूसो दे n and d not defined so मांग चला मांग तो n d t लूसो दी खालो ना not defined लो को दो चीज़ आने चाहिए क्यों क्या मिलूँ so next रहा ता cosec sec and cot are the inverse ना तेरा तो चीज़ बात correct inverse ले लो ना cosec the correct inverse ले ना sin inverse ले लो तो sin inverse ही लो दे sin inverse ले ना 0 लो दे 0 ले ना कब 0 by 1 लो the inverse चेंज चिंग वहीं पर खर्चे ले दे 0 खर्चे दे 1 divided by 0 so 1 divided by 0 लो when not defined so n d genetic दे n d or infinite ता दाना सिंह निमो दे ना मंसो खर्चे sin के खर्चे दे cosec के जिसवा cosec हम तो दियो चे निमो दे लो दी या inverse दे cosec की 딱 아주 방진이 가서 inversion 돼요. so cosec 강보대 디죠체 sin 그 이거 디 inversion은 2와 so 도들나 상마 inversion 돼요. 강 상마 so 2체 다 디 inversion은 root of 2와 다 디 inversion은 2 root by 3 And here 1 divided by 0 this is 1 by 1 1 divided by 1 inverse 1 divided by 1 so this is 1. The second part sec the correct inverse rate cos inverse and cos inverse le diro the inverse 1 divided by 1 1 check the inverse 2 by root of 3 so inverse into the 1 by root of 2 means root of 2 and here 1 by 2 and inverse 2 that the yin check there 0 divided by 1 because inverse 1 divided by 0 not defined. Now got the correct inverse 10 inverse so the correct not defined or infinite and here inverse root of 3 1 1 1 the root 3 the inverse 1 by root of 3 and this infinite and infinity to the how not defined now in 1 divided by 0 not defined one. The ya ching by 0 0 inverse the inverse is 0 and g low in 1 by 0 so ya do in 0 0 so tang ang khara so na ding ang to trigonometric ratio that the khawa phe tu re ma the examples pa sha so ta pa che the kasere degree what the any value should the pa che tön shin yo pa che so tön da the that the kan tang nge khare la win ba that we have the sum in the sense that we have the 5 trigonometric the statistic angles and we get all these values. Now where we use these values the value the khawa pen to go re dire ya the the value some shin ki yo in ba na the calculation pe le ro chire khare le lo chu to law in ba for example say this is one example and these kind of questions frequently comes in the exam exam na dire ma puli rian chu the thing is simple draw and dide kan da chu na ma puli reason na some of drawing ba na so that is example in the this shin ki yo in ba na now we are going to find this value khare se chu to law in ba na cosec square 30 law that thamo to cosec 30 is our cosec 30 law in ba na this is cosec isn't and 30 means 2 so cosec 2 law so there square so adu ga che to law in ba cosec 30 law tinga to 2 so take here 2 square ate cosec square de thar value digala shishagirda di matia yang gashi dine teacher cosec 30 square tigre di mare di tiga square to di khawa tigre not on the degree kala the mare yige digala the square in a cube yana khare equal samaro cosec sin square and 45 degree digala square the the marta teacher kha jo na yige digala the is so cosec square cosec 30 the consider to 2 and there are the square in the square 2 spell into the sin square of 45 or sin square the consider to down there sin square of 45 1 by root of 2 so 1 by root of 2 t 1 by root of 2 and square down square negative sec square 60 that's sec square 60 that is again 2 so 2t and square down. The simple calculation da the path of by 4 into the delta also 1 calorie 1 into 1 that is 1 and here we are going to cancel this root and it becomes 2 so negative 4 I cancel here 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 minus 4 which is equal to negative 2 so you get the negative 2 as the solution of the answer has to be negative 2 is the thing also ki khare na example chunjujing ta khata lo ngo to din ju ki value sama shin ki yo in ba ne shin na ro an ngo to din ki ju khanda ste wo in ba ne yang di se tu is ta ngo to kha twa na complementary angle pa drawing so complementary angle sawa ta an di shila ngo to ki ani assignment in the na le ka she chu di and kya so na la shi ro chen da ro okay the next subtopic is complementary angles. The complementary angles, normally the complementary angles says is the two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is 90. angle ni yo in bana angle ni du su do ba in ne 90 chagi yo ne de rang su gi complementary angle ta di ka su ra ne ko chi nge gi chidang algebraic nang la ma su ya de ka nge ma bu shu che gi du kesi pu ni la su ra so it's just an example that kesi pu ni la pu e le je re ani pu pi le je re pu e da pu pi ni la do ne ko mo ja yo re la na pu e da pu ni kaza pi ni la ani ko ni ja do ne ko mo ja yo re la bin pa na ta ma to mang chiu chi si khar chi lam sa mental calculation ki kyang mang bo yo re khar ge gi la bin pa na kesi ko la ko mo dun ju yo na ro ta la ru shu cha za re khar na pi la kha su yo de mental calculation ki pi le ru cha re kha su yo la na sa sum ju yo re you know how 이 숨주 가신 책을 나오고 이번에 되래. 뒤까지 파 두로 와. 소원도 B 제가 그 B value 제가 가지래. 100 디바치디 minus 아니 70 which is equal to 30 and see 이렇게. So simple. So guys now when don't manage क्या लेवा कोरो. So in case कैसे रो हम तो ला अंगे तो हाफ को मेव इन पाए ना. तेंगा 70 इन हाफ को रो. 17 bahag ta 17 bahag ku me in minus kesi ding an tu gi ro ko la ma tu x yaw in minus and p ki value khar cha gi law in minus p ki value khar chi re p which is equal to 100 minus x here so this is the condition dirwa p ki value the khar chi law don't let p ki value the yin khar sa so law in minus kya ne toru dene pu shamba de ge su ten bai na xin ni ko pi ge che ge ro so this is an idea ta ti kan di na complementary angle na ko has na di dan di ni dom ni ga la ge ho yin bai di na ha re di da di ni dom bai na is a 90 le de na ji nya so that di ko de negative de kan xin le do le sho so this is the idea that we are applying here so this shem bai na wa kan chi da ma to mental calculation gi la sa shi ge go zo Kola uyu dem so le shama de uyu khaso na na uyu tone nam sam na tu re but practically ra by calculation ge tone ani khanis ra to na nam sam pe ma tu na shegi do ra pu jing an to x ma cha sha na pu shaba ji x ma cha sha na pu shaba de khale re to ro de x su the ba na pu shaba de shegi ro odi idea go do lo tende cha nge pu ni ki idea so exactly same the complementary angle and the ni dominator now the cross with the pagal ten which kana complementary angle to suit the sweep parallel check do so this is important here also to the shira go and che the nega the how much taking to khare ro inverse to suit the sweep parallel do you just thinking of downside ba so inverse to suit the sweep parallel do now here the complementary angle to suit the sweep parallel do now let's check it so the complementary relation is in between the sine and cos remember here sine and cos ki parallel complementary angle ki relation here sine and cos ki parallel khar se do sine 90 minus theta lava to so cos theta don't you in sine and cos parallel complementary angle ki relation here ta ta na shi ro sine theta lava in pa na ro ani cos 90 minus theta tadi cos wa relation is taking on to sine the inverse sunyam the inverse the sunyam reciprocal the sunyam the law in by na cosec nyam de wa that in the complementary angle na la sine and cos ki parallel de che sec and cosec ni ki parallel che tangent na chord da confuse yo mara complementary angle e dar re inverse le dar the same share chi na complementary angle the su da su parallel de che ki do the same share the thing when you go through in by na the intimate goes to share so the sweep parallel sine 90 minus 3 china ro the textbook na yang yang so the complementary angle ji kurani parallel jo so the kharchin chegi me dia page tuen share kyonas textbook intimate pa taro chi complementary angle ki jo shira kuni parallel jo kharchin me jo ro so de ye ji bu nya na ya ma the dredge angle dredge wa ji bu ji nya so dinne ji pa taro chi yima na tende nge kyonas idea ka na swing parallel complementary angle de jo do di khe chi mo inda sine and cos sec and cosec cot and tangent that the complementary angle the different two kind of legre so now here example ni so sum xiao do chen ji sha ro sum shen da two kind of legre lo in here for example say evaluate the value ce la na Sine 41 divided by cos 49 there. Now we are going to change 1. Joe Maja. Dear Joe, dear Joe, Could you level goes? Level go, Yana, Joe, Yana, and how we are going to change? Let's see. That trans children, Kuran Kari, Sundaro Chimbalero, Kuran Kari Joe, Lenaro, the Bukashe, Sine Joe taking, or maybe the cos Joe taking leggy. That the trans idea, trans of Samatana Kari Joe Jensen. Marshall, Sine Joe Jensen. Okay, some of Sine Joe Yandarwa. Sine Joe Yan drawing, but a 41 Ranja there, Tomokachana, Sine Ranja T. The regular 41 Ranja nail, the 41 Ranja Sine Ranja T, but they Joe Yan it. So 90 minus 41, 49 10 and cos Ranja T. Then the case 41, 90 minus 49, 41. Nothing. Joke Yame. Jason signed the sign Ranja Native. 90 minus 49 is a 41. 90 minus 49 is 41. Then the joke Yame. 41 the Raya 1949 thing. Did you say? That's Shini. Sign the complementary angle the current Jodo there. Sine the complementary angle the Karta Jodo cos theta lena de. Sine 90 minus theta the theta the length to cos of Gula. So as sine 90 minus theta the 49. That the car you know in cos the Joe Gablado. So as cos 49. Divided by 100 cos of 49. So cancel down the Hachi do answer 1. It's a simple. Negative power with you. Transition within parallel. They Joe gave sign the sign Ranjali to get 41, 90 minus 49 is a 41. Ranja shot. Didn't Joe get that? Never did it. Didn't Joe tell there? Cos Kashinasa, cos 49 Kashinasa, sine 90 minus theta, there are theta chicolesa there. Then the 49 they did it, theta did it. And she cos Joe Gabler. So cos. Take another example here. Say here, again, since these are the relation, let's see here, 60, 6 and 4, 10, 5, 8, 9, 90 second. 90 second of parallel complementary angle divide. So we are going to change either one. Either you can change the chord or tangent. Check Joe gap. Nija Joe gap then you run. Total charge, the tangent chadi, the chord chadi, and the chord chadi, the tangent. Change one. Either you can change this chord or tangent. If you are going to change this chord, the chord the case you get in better. Let's see here. Chord the Ranjati Tamo. Chord Ranjati. Now to get this 34, right? 90 minus 56. 90 minus 56. 90 minus 56 math. 10 by the partially is a 4, the extra swap 34. So 34 right? 90 minus 56 34. So 34 answer the partial object negative tangent of 56. Now change color break cot 90 minus theta the current dollar there cot 90 minus theta the tangent theta ratios. And what is the theta? The theta is 56. So change it now. Tangent 56. And what tangent 56. And subtract. You just sign the answer is 0. Very simple. If you know this complementary relation, the complementary relation is same by the so then you get the chain low in Pana. Did you change the and Chimbola Kiosu? Carsu, that you didn't tell you in Pana. Near Karana, single chick shame by another, and Mama and Kiowa, deep out of dome tangent like you. Either you can multiply it. So, Dimo Sonzara did chick Yapotin by Shambachina and Kra to a Karidush party there in Pana. Then they sing it as something to that patching it example chick Shama, etc. Then now. Then I like a share and then I let the intimate ground to get part Chiroshi. 당에 직샤와 됐으니까 도시하나 뒤도 그런 거 트라이 주시야 so 강한테 되긴 안쪽에 angle 라 가서 디 디그리 하 고기 요는 calculation 시에 그토를 조용히래 난디 complementary 그토인데 저 그런 디 당에 example 직샤로 하는 게 잠셔와 last 게 세션이야 see here the example there 2 tangent of 53 divided by cot of 37 minus cot of 80 divided by tangent of 10. The relation in between the tangent and cot complementary relation when you para here. Here so tangent either you can change the tangent or cot. Doesn't matter. Change one. So suppose say if you are going to change this cot the joke again by now say 2 tangent of 53 under sharp. Is it? Now to change here, first you write here the cot itself. Cot under t. And to get this 37, 90 minus 53 tenda. 90 minus 53 means 37. So tenda cot answer now. Same. Cot answer there. Negative. That was the tangent the joke out shara. Now it's a cot of 80 answer sharp. To get this 10, 90 minus 80. 90 minus 80. 90 minus 80 means 10. So tangent 10. Answer there. The sheen complementary the dinner push now. Cut the 2 tangent of 53 divided by cot 90 minus theta means tangent theta. And theta is 53. So tangent of 53. So and negative t, cot and cot of 80 degree divided by tangent 90 minus theta is a cot. So cot and cot here is a 80. Cot of 80. Now what we are going to do is tangent 53 and tangent 53 cancelled. Cot 80 and cot 80 here. So what is left here? 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 as your solution. The thing is, example there are so many questions that you find in the textbook also. Textbook exercise so that in this complementary angle the calculation as a trigonometry angle specific angles like calculation just that practice